All right, we're here to talk tech. If you could, your boss could see all of your social media updates, you really want him to see that. He could maybe even see how you feel about the company. A computer program could actually make that happen. Mike Wisby is here from the Squirrel Collective.
That's right.
Interesting name. What exactly is called sentiment analysis? That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, sentiment analysis is just effectively when they use software to determine whether the workforce is happy, sad, what they're kind of feeling. So on a day like today, you can get an idea of how the general sentiment is in the office, and software is going to do that for you without.
How?
Well, that's perfect. Right? You led into this. So,
thank you.
Well, large companies like Twitter, IBM, Intel started using these tools for like market research. So they put a product out there. How's everyone responding to this? You know, they want to know. But they've recently started turning that inward and looking at potential problems in large companies. You have, you do have that kind of thing where you've got a huge group that's supervised by just one or two people, and you can't possibly touch base with them every day. So this software is awesome. It will look at their...
Isn't that spying?
Well, it's kind of controversial because it could be construed as spying. But the software is actually designed to just track individuals, and sorry, isn't intended to track individuals, but more groups and the general behavior. But you should be wary of it. You shouldn't say anything that you don't want to be said at work.
Anyway, you shouldn't put anything out anyway as a rule.
Yeah, really you shouldn't. So if you're playing by those rules and you're just, if you're sad, and you feel upset, your boss probably wants to know because they can fix it for you. And that's what the intention is here, is to find out if there's a big problem without directly saying, hey, well, are you happy at work? And then, you might just feel pressure to say, yeah, I'm very happy here, I love it. And, well,
wow,
maybe you're not. But
no, that's just a lot.
Yeah.
Because if you're sort of complaining on social media, I'm assuming the boss isn't going to call you in to make you happy. He's going to call you in to say, why are you saying that?
Well, the thing is, this isn't just social media as well. It's also internal communications within business. So the software
Any communication.
Like emails, instant messaging if you have that work, like Slack and things like that.
We do have Slack.
Yeah, so they have so many plugins you can use for Slack that one of these could be, and big organizations are already doing it. But one thing I did want to mention is that it's an expanding market. Smaller businesses now can start using this because there's a service called Yammer, which is a social place network that Microsoft bought back in 2012. And what they're going to do is include it in Office 365, which every business actually uses. So it's opening it up to all the small businesses now. So it's just something to be wary of, be mindful of. Just
as always.
As always, but now your boss could find out things you may not want him to know.
Yeah. Okay. We thank you very much, Mike Wisby with
Thank you very much. Squirrel Collective.
The Squirrel Collective. All right. We'll be back right after this.